Okay, this is the left hand roll technique. So if you want to go from one string and to the string underneath it in the same fret, so in this example I'm going to go from the 3rd fret 5th string to the 3rd fret 4th string. What we don't want to do is play the note and then take our finger off and then replace the finger on the next string. What we're going to do is use a roll technique. So this is what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the tip of my finger down on the 3rd fret 5th string, and I'm going to play the note, and then I'm going to roll to the pad of my finger on the next string onto the 3rd fret 4th string. So I'll do that one more time. So instead of playing the string, taking the finger off and putting it down again, I'm going to put my finger down on the tip of the finger and roll to the pad of the finger onto the string below it.